Yeah, let's get a picture. Me hold him?
You want to go on the field a little bit?
No, I'm good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Hop in, Julie. Julie, hop in.
I don't want him to cry.
He's good. He's good. Got him? All right.
All right, Kirk.
Thank you. We'll see you after the game. We'll see you after the game. Love you.
Love you too.
Yep, thank you. This is my son's first game here. So we got to get a win, man.
With the 0-5 49ers in town, a win for Kirk Cousins' son Cooper seemed like child's play. But much like the trials of parenthood, nothing is as easy as it seems.
Here we go, guys. We're going. Here we go. We're going. We're going. Let's go. What is that?
Looking, little screen pass left. It is Chris Thompson. He's got room 40, 45 to the 50. Cuts it up across the 45 to the 49ers 42-yard line. Big gainer for the Skins.
Great job. Great job. What is that?
Play action fake. Looking out to the side, the right side caught.
What is that?
Play action on the boot. Little toss. P. Ryan the catch at the 30.
What is that?
Looking right, checks down over the middle, tosses, and it's a touchdown. Touchdown over the middle. Josh Doxson with the touchdown catch.
Good job, Josh. Way to win. Way to win.
Josh Doxson runs a skinny post from the slot, bends in. Kirk Cousins puts a perfect ball on it. What a pass by Kirk Cousins. Look at him drive on that ball as he throws it.
Great job, Papa Doc. All right, guys, execution. Execution, man. What is that? Good pocket. Hey, great pocket. Hey, that was you guys. I took forever. I took forever. Nice job.
The whole line right now is dominant.
Look at me taking all the time. Look at me taking all the time. Great pocket, man. I took forever. Great pocket. Done. Might have been a little late. What is that?
Looking left, little dump off. P. Ryan the catch, gets hit, and he gets into the end zone for a Redskins touchdown. Good job by P. Ryan.
Great catch, great catch. Yes, yes. And Samaje almost knocked the ball out of my hand. Look at how close he is on his exchange. Hey, on that, yeah, you almost knocked the ball out of my hand. Just good wide pocket.
Yeah, I got you.
Don't have it tight, have it nice and wide. Way to run that down and go get it. It helps when I can lead you upfield, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes I get in a weird place when we get a lead like this where you start playing, you know, conservative, you know, not to lose. And it's smart to do that, but it also kind of hinders your ability to just go play. Done! What's that? Just about every game is like this, man. They're never light and easy. That's what makes it great, man. That's what makes it great. Here we go, man. Huddle, huddle, huddle. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. We got to get some mojo going when we get out there, man. That's my biggest concern right now is we're too lethargic. Huddle, huddle, let's go. Why are you walking? Why are you walking? Here we go. What is that? Good tackle. Good tackle, Jimmy.
Hey, slide, man. What you doing going? Dropping your shoulder.
I wasn't quite sure where the first down was.
You ran like 20 yards.
Yeah, and sometimes when you slide, they still pop you.
Yeah.
You get in a vulnerable spot.
That shoulder worth about $200 million right now. You know,
Yeah, right.
I love it.
I love it.
I love it. I just get nervous.
No, I hear you. Smart. Love you guys, man. Let's do this. What's that? What's that?
Inside give, no, keeps it on the option. Kirk at the 5, and he is in! Kirk Cousins touchdown!
No one better, no one more deserving than Kirk Cousins to score the touchdown. God, that feels good.
That's the way to do it, baby. I'm proud of you.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Huge drive, man.
Yes, huge drive, man. That's what they do, man. That's what good teams do, man. Nice job. We go on one here, on one. Red and right, Z behind, victory on one. Ready? Best play in football. Pace, pace. Good. Ready? What is that?
Game over. And the Redskins going to go home with their 3rd win of the year.
Hey, you did a hell of a job, man. You really played well. You played your butt off.
Appreciate it.
Hey, go get some wins, man.
All right, we will.
Use this year to grow and develop, man. It's valuable time.
Thanks, man.
All right, happy for you.
Kurt.